Welcome to InterLink, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your mining speed. How to mine more ITLG tokens. So usually you come here after every 4 hours, you click on mine. So sometimes you need to click a couple of times. So when this page opens, you click on mine here. And then you claim, all right? So I've successfully claimed 38 ITLG. So what you're claiming depends on your network. Right? Now, how do you increase your network to also boost your earnings? Because what I just claimed there is not what I claimed yesterday, some days ago, right? So it's due to the network. Now, how do you add people to the network? Now look at it. You click on the network symbol on the menu bar. So you have options to join a group, or you can equally just create a group and invite people, right? So I've created one here, and the name of the group is Savage Miner. All right, so I'll be sharing this group in the Telegram page in the description box of this video, so you guys should jump on it and join. So once the group has 6 members, we can now start earning, and our mining speed will increase drastically for all of us. Or better still, you can drop your username. I can copy and add you manually, right? Or you can click on the link, and if you are already on InterLink, you will be added to the group. And if you're not already mining InterLink Network, I'll leave my invite link in the pinned comment so you can jump on it, register to start mining. The project is quite prestigious. I love, how they are putting all hands on deck. The interface and everything looks legit, right? Regardless, still not a financial advisor, I'm not a financial expert, right? So you endeavor to do your research to understand better what InterLink is about.